If you want to get a dynamic island on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case we can go to the Play Store, and then over here we should be able to try to find an app that allows us to get the dynamic island. So I'm just going to tap on the search option here at the bottom, then we're going to use the search option at the top, and we can type dynamic island, and you should be able to find example apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to have the dynamic island once you install them and set them up. Now in my case, I'm going to use this app over here. I'm going to show you how to set this one up, but of course feel free to try anything else in case you don't like this app, or if, for example, it doesn't work for you for some reason. So once you get the app, of course, we're going to open it. We're going to tap on next over here. Then we have instructions. First, we need to select apps that are going to show up on the pop-up on the dynamic island. You can choose individual apps over here, or you can just tap on all in the upper right corner to activate everything. We need to grant the notification access, so tap on the notification access, then choose dynamic spot once you are redirected, and then allow notification access for the app over here. Then we need to activate the permission to let the app draw on screen, so we're going to tap over here and tap on allow, and then tap again and go next. Now after that we should see dynamic spot highlighted, so we're going to select it. We want to enable use dynamic spot, and then tap on allow, and then we can tap on done. You might see this premium offer, which we can close in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much all. However, if you want to, for example, manage apps later on, once you get, for example, more apps, if you want to decide which apps should be displayed on the dynamic island, then you can go to notifications and go to apps over here to choose them again. And also we can go to the position option in order to take a look at the dynamic island, how it looks like. And if you want to, you can make it, for example, slightly bigger. You can adjust its size, horizontal and vertical. You can adjust its position as well, in case it is incorrect. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.